We have an extremely rare, beautiful, desirable car with us today, folks. This is a 1962 Impala SS Golden Anniversary. They made between 300 and 350 of them total. And this one was ordered with a 409 horsepower, and a 4-speed. It is numbers match. It's been body off frame restored. Could very well be the only one in existence just like this. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. You can scan the QR code that's on your screen at any time, and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really special car here, the Golden Anniversary. And they made them with, 283 motors, but this is the big boy, the 409 with the 409 horsepower. And it's an outstanding restoration. All of the body is restored. It's all pristine and straight and clean, and the lines are beautiful and crisp, and there's no bubbles or any issues like that. Opens up easily. The jambs are painted. Shuts like a new car. In 62, they have these lines in the roof that's supposed to kind of duplicate what a convertible would look like with the top bows. Quarter panels are all clean and straight, and the big trunk lid, all smooth, clean, nice lines. I mean, this is really nice, folks. This is a high quality restoration, probably done a few years ago, but very high quality. And everything just looks sharp and clean and straight. Everywhere I look, it's just outstanding. Doors open effortlessly, jams clean, shuts real nice. So the body is outstanding. It's gold anniversary metallic, has real tiny metallic, all laid out evenly, and it sure has a nice glossy clear coat finish over it. It has the 409 cross flags on the fender. The front bumper is nice and shiny. All the moldings and trim. Looks like the grill got bumped right here. It's pushed up a little bit right there. Otherwise, all this is looking really nice and sharp. Has these chrome spears on top of the fenders. Now the Super Sports have this machine turned inlay in the molding here. And that's all in excellent shape. All of the stainless looks like it's been off the car, buffed, polished. The vent window frame is real sharp. Top of the doors here, all shiny and straight, shiny door handles. The rocker moldings look like new. All of the glass looks like it's been replaced. It's all crystal clear glass, and all the chrome frames around the windows shiny. Has the rear mounted antenna. I always like that. It's a little sportier than the one on the fender. The back window might be original, but boy, is that clear. All the trims buffed and polished. It has that machine turn trim on the tail panel as well. And the bumper and all that's looking really sharp, looking really nice. It has a bow tie mirror on the door. Now the Super Sports come with these spinner hubcaps, so they're in very good shape, and they are wrapped in reproduction Silvertown BF Goodrich white wall tires. I think 62 was the first year for the thin white wall. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to tell you about and show you on this car. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. Well, under the trunk lid, all finished off beautifully. It has the stickers, the wire loom going up to the tail lights, and the jam is just as clean. Weather strip replaced. Inside is beautiful and complete. All the clean metal is neatly spatter finished. Has the right three-piece mat. Has a restored jack. A fifth matching reproduction tire. It's never been on the ground, never used, on a painted rim. So very clean and complete. This is just what it would have looked like in 1962, brand new. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. So yeah, this car, again, was professionally restored. You can tell the jams were apart and painted real nice. Weather strips replaced. This is the interior. They call it golden yellow. That's what they all came with. Reproduction door panels, armrest, window cranks. All that's looking real nice. It has the original tachometer mounted to the column. The instrument panel's real nice, does have a clock. Not sure if it works. 69,000 miles showing on the odometer. All the trim and knobs, everything's looking real good. Light works inside here. Glove box liner looks nice. It's a padded dash. That would be optional. It has the 62 SS grab bar for the passenger. Has working interior lights. Has the speckled carpet. Has the little consolette, we'll call it, or bezel. This is a brand new shifter we just installed. The original thin rod with the little white ball, the original shifter goes with the car, but it was getting worn out, so we just put this in. As the center console, this is all factory. The bucket seats feel good. They feel like they're resprung. All reproduction upholstery on them. The backs of them. The back seat looks just as good from wall to wall. All reupholstered and replaced and looking real sharp. And back around the rear window and the shelf, it's all clean. The lights work. Sail panels are nice and tight. And little stars, maybe you can't tell, but those are all little stars embossed in the headliners. You're looking up at the sky. And the visors match as well. Here's the day and night mirror. The two-tone steering wheel. So it's restored right back to factory specs. That cardboard kick panel is warped. That can be replaced easily. We actually have two written and signed letters from the original owner who bought it in '62. He owned it until '75, and he verifies it's a real anniversary 409 car. And the gentleman who owned it from '75 to '97 also verified what the car is, and he heard a knock in the motor, and he parked it for many years. And then it got bought from him, and at some point between then and now, it got a full body off-frame restoration. So this is the VIN number matching engine. The codes and the VIN are stamped on the front of the motor. It's the 409 horsepower. So it has the aluminum head with dual, I think they're Carter carburetors, but they're the correct carburetors. Complete with the correct glass bowl fuel filter, the dual snorkel air cleaner, the platinum color valve covers, reproduction dated spark plug wires, the right choke tube, the right manifolds, and then all the metal surfaces painted up real nice, the GM hoses and clamps, battery secured, it has spring clamp cables and a disconnect. The 409s had a slant top radiators, a slight slant on the radiator, which this has, along with the right shroud and the GM hose. Excuse me. And it features power steering and power brakes. And it is complete. The squirters are hooked up. It has the sun transmitter for the tachometer. It has the glass washer fluid concentrate bottle. Again, everything painted nicely, and there's a picture of the tag. It's way down there on the cowl. That tells us this is an anniversary car. The bottom of the hood's nice and clean. The hinges are clean. Michael's going to demonstrate how good this 409 runs. She's real fine, this 409. I'll see you in a minute.
Let me just start off by saying that I absolutely love this car. It's a really special ride, and yeah, it feels that way when you're behind the driver's seat. I think it's something about this interior. Because in the sun, it literally radiates. It almost glows. Such gorgeous colors. Love everything about it. 409 is sounding right. There's a nice little rumble to the exhaust there. And of course you got the 4-speed manual. Always fun to throw that around. Real easy, nice, smooth power steering. Seats feel great too. Everything's just really got a quality feel to it. Let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, we're up to 60 miles an hour, absolutely no problem. We're gonna go ahead and slow it down. Gives ourselves a little room here. See a nice downshift into third there. But yeah, absolutely no shortage of power. That 409, that's the boss man's engine right there. What a true delight. I feel lucky that I got to drive it around the block. Somebody's going to be lucky to be the new owner of it. Really going to get a nice car here. She drives great. Come check it out for yourself. You don't take my word for it. And look at all the details at volocars.com.
So when they restored it, they did take the body off the frame. The floors are so clean. They're immaculate. You could wipe them with a paper towel and not even shred the paper towel. They're that smooth and clean. And the braces, all painted a nice satin or semi-gloss black. The frame and chassis components are smooth and painted. Steering, suspension, brakes, all that was rebuilt, and they kept it all stock. The e-brake cables are hooked up. Has a correct exhaust that looks very fresh. It follows the X frame. And then looking up at the motor, it's nice, clean Chevy orange. The starter still looks clean. It has its numbers matching, VIN number matching T10 4-speed transmission as well. And in back, it has its original rear end with the right dates, and that is a posi. So in the fuel tank, that was replaced during restoration. That's a very high quality restoration on an extremely rare car, the 409 with 409 horsepower. Again, they made 300 to 350 golden anniversaries all together. Find one with the 409 in it and a 4-speed. Find one that's still number matching. Find one that's been body off restored. I don't think you're gonna. This could very well be a one of one. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to make this golden anniversary your own and get it delivered to your door and financed and insurance. They can help with all of that. Thanks for watching.